Hi, welcome to another episode of Home Studio Workshop. This is all about the perennial problem of getting your ASIO audio to record when you're doing tutorials. Fairly obviously, this is something I've recently come across and had to solve, and I found it very difficult to get a clean, sensible answer. So I figured it out, and it's as simple as you can possibly imagine. It involves getting some software, obviously, but it's all free and it's all brilliant. So there's no problems with that. It's not going to cost you anything, just a couple of downloads. And let's have a look. Okay, the setting up of ASIO audio to record in tutorial type software. It's really, really simple. Again, I say this is just for Windows because for some unknown reason Apple had made a much better job of this and Windows didn't. But anyway, this is just for Windows. It's made to seem a lot more complicated than it is for some reason, to do with sales, I should imagine. It's the world, isn't it? Anyway, what you need, apart from some tutorial type recording software, of which I recommend OBS Studio more than wholeheartedly. It's absolutely fantastic and it's free. Also free is this, which is called Voice Meter. There's a proliferation of E's there, which I would hazard a guess leads me to a Dutch inventor, but there's nothing wrong with that. Anyway, what this is, ladies and gentlemen, is simply put a splitter. That's all it is. 5 channels. You don't need to worry about channel 1. You don't need to worry about channel 2. Channel 3 is your Cubase level blah 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 in. Channel 4 is your ASIO driver out, and channel 5 is your normal speakers desktop thingy Realtek I've got, but you know the deal, the normal speaker output job of your computer, and it splits 1 in 2 out. That's what it does. Simple as that. Okay, I'm going to minimize it. You can't turn it off. You have to have it running to make this operation work. Literally have to turn it on before it'll work, and as I found to my cost earlier today. Anyway, so you can minimize that, and let's get a Cubase running. And this is just set up as normal. And you can hear nothing, which is correct. So what you do, you go to Devices, Device Setup, and you switch your ASIO driver from whatever it is you're using to Voice Meter Virtual ASIO. Doesn't hurt. Over it goes. Click OK. Job done. And now, lo and behold, we have audio. It is as simple as that. Now, when you've finished doing your recording your tutorial or whatever it is you're doing, important to put this back. It is a splitter, therefore there will be some degree of degradation in the signal, so once you're not doing some recording for tutorials, put it back to where it normally is. So put it back to there. Audient 14, highly recommended. Anyway, okay. And that's that. It really is as simple as that.